Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting gain and level right. If you clip, EQ fixes nothing. With the guitar soloed and EQ flat, sweep a narrowband boost to find harsh or muddy frequencies. Once you locate a problem frequency, switch to a cut of 3/6 dB to clean it up rather than boosting elsewhere. Make sure to listen at performance volume and check in context with other instruments so the initial cuts serve the whole mix. Now you shape tone band by band. Add a low shelf only if the guitar needs warmth, but roll off under 80 Hz to avoid rumble. Then focus on mids. A narrow cut around 300-400 Hz can reduce boxiness, while a slight boost near 2-3 kHz brings pick attack forward. For air, use a gentle high shelf above 5 kHz, but make sure not to introduce harshness. Transition between finish by a slash bing the EQ in context. If the mix doesn't improve, revert and try smaller moves. Once done, automate subtle EQ changes for verse versus solo to keep clarity across sections. Make sure to recheck with different speakers and headphones so translations hold up. If you still hear issues, examine phase relationships and compare die versus mic'd amp signals, because tracking or routing problems often masquerade as EQ flaws. Fix those first, and then finalize your EQ.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.